Friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with structural analysis in the topic of strain energy and displacement of statistically determinate structures. So the first question, in a bar of large length when held vertically and subjected to the load at its lower end, its own weight produce additional stress. The maximum stress will be option A at the lower cross section, option B at the built in upper cross section, option C at the central cross section, option D at every point of the bar. So the correct answer is option B at the built in upper cross section. So next question, the property of material by which can be drawn to smaller section due to tension is called option A plasticity, option B ductility, option C elasticity, option D malleability. So the correct answer is option B ductility. So next question, the phenomena of slow growth of strain under a steady tensile stress is called option A yielding, option B creeping, option C breaking, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option B creeping. So next question, the practical units of work is option A energy, option B joule, option C Newton, option D Dane. So the correct answer is option B joule. So next question, when a body falls freely under gravitational force, it possesses option A maximum weight, option B minimum weight, option B no weight, option D no effect on its weight. So the correct answer is option C no weight. So next question, as compared to the uniaxial tension or compression, the strain energy stored in bending is only option A 1 by 8, option B 1 by 4, option C 1 by 3, option D 1 by 2. So the correct answer is option C 1 by 3. So next question, the energy stored in the beam of length L subjected to the constant bending moment is option A m square L divided by 2 EI, option B m L square divided by 2 EI, option C m square L divided by EI, option D m L square divided by EI. So the correct answer is option A m square L divided by 2 EI. So next question, the maximum stress intensity due to suddenly applied load is x times the stress intensity produced by the load of the same magnitude applied. Generally, the value of x is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 1 by 2. So the correct answer is option B 2. So next question, the strain energy of member may be equated to option A average resistance into displacement, option B off into stress into strain into area of cross section, option C off into stress into strain into volume of member, option D off into stress square into volume of member plus Young's modulus E. So the correct answer is option D off into stress square into volume of member plus Young's modulus E. So next question, the strain energy of any member may be defined as the work done on it. Option A to deform it, option B to resist elongation, option C to resist shortening, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. Question, the total strain energy of beam of length L having the moment of inertia of its section I when subjected to the bending moment M is option A m square divided by EI into dx, option B m square divided by 2 EI into dx, option C integration of L to 0 m square divided by 2 EI into dx, option D integration of 0 to L m square divided by EI into dx. So the correct answer is option C integration of 0 to L m square divided by 2 EI into dx. So next question, the strain energy stored in the spring when the subjected to greatest load without being permanently distorted is called option A stiffness, option B proof resilience, option C proof stress, option D proof load. So the correct answer is option B proof resilience. So next question, the greatest load which a spring can carry without getting permanently distorted is called option A stiffness, option B proof resilience, option C proof stress, option D proof load. So the correct answer is option D proof load. So next question, a bar L meter long and having its area of cross section A is subjected to the gradually applied tensile load W. The strain energy stored in the bar is option A WL divided by 2 AE, option B WL divided by AE, option C W square L divided by AE, option D W square L divided by 2 AE. So the correct answer is option D W square L divided by 2 AE. So next question, the ratio of area of cross section of circular section to the area of its core is option A 4, option B 8, option C 12, option D 16. So the correct answer is option D 16. So next question, the ratio of the stresses produced by the suddenly applied load and by the gradually applied load on the bar is option A 1 by 4, option B 1 by 2, option C 1, option D 2. So the correct answer is option D 2. So next question, the property of material to store strain energy is called option A ductility, option B modulus of rupture, option C strain hardening, option D resilience. So the correct answer is option D resilience. So next question, the shear force of a simply supported beam is proportional to option A displacement of neutral axis, option B sum of the forces, option C sum of the transverse forces, option D algebraic sum of the transfer force of the section. So the correct answer is option D algebraic sum of the transverse force of the section. So next question, simple bending equation is option A m by I equal to r by E equal to sigma by y, option B I by m equal to E by r equal to y by sigma, option C m by I equal to E by r equal to sigma by y, option D m by I equal to r by E equal to y by sigma. So the correct answer is option C m by I equal to E by r equal to sigma by y. So next question, the assumption in the theory of bending of beam is option A material is homogeneous and isotropic, option B Young's modulus is same in tension as well as the compression, option C each layer is independent to expand or to contract, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option D all the above. So next question, the deflection due to the couple M at the free end of the cantilever length L is option A ML divided by EI, option B 2ML divided by EI, option C ML square divided by 2 EI, option D M square L divided by 2 EI. So the correct answer is option C ML square divided by 2 EI. So next question, the ratio of the maximum deflection of the beam simply supported at its ends with an isolated central load and that of with a uniformly distributed load over its entire length is option A 1, option B 15 by 24, option C 24 divided by 15, option D 2 by 3. So the correct answer is option C 24 divided by 15. So next question, if the width of the simply supported beam carrying an isolated load at its center is doubled, the deflection of the beam at the center is changed by option A 1 by 2, option B 1 by 8, option C 2, option D 8. So the correct answer is option A 1 by 2. So next question, the deflection of any rectangular beam is simply supported is option A directly proportional to its width, option B inversely proportional to its width, option C inversely proportional to the cube of its depth, option D directly proportional to the cube of its length. So the correct answer is option C inversely proportional to the cube of its depth. So next question, a cantilever beam rectangular in the cross section is subjected to an isolated load at its free end. If the width of the beam is doubled, the deflection of the free end will be changed. It's the ratio of option A 8, option B 1 by 8, option C 1 by 2, option D 2. So the correct answer is option C 1 by 2. So next question, for structural analysis of forces, the method refers to option A moment area theorem, option B 3 moment equation, option C Maxwell reciprocal theorem, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option D none of the above. So next question, if a constant section beam is subjected to a uniform bending moment throughout its length bends to option A circular arc, option B a parabolic arc, option C a catenary, option D none of this. So the correct answer is option A circular arc.